Before this video ends, you are going to question something you have trusted your entire life, your perception, because right now, in the silence of this moment, your brain is rewriting reality. As you sit here, your brain is acting as a hidden architect, editing what you see, what you remember, and who you believe you are. And the most unsettling part? You do not notice. The edit has already started, and it always has. You believe you see the world exactly as it is, a perfect, objective recording. You do not. There is a physical hole in each eye where the optic nerve meets the retina, a blind spot. Right now, your brain is guessing what should be there and filling it in so perfectly that you never see the gap. You never see the gap. You only see the guess. If your brain edits what you physically see, what else is it editing? Your brain isn't a camera. It's a storyteller that hates a blank page. Neuroscientists describe the brain as a prediction engine. It doesn't wait for information, it guesses. It constantly creates a model of what should happen next based on your past experiences. Reality is just the brain checking its work. When a message goes unanswered, do you see a fact or do you see a story? Your brain predicted a tone and interpreted the silence to fit. It predicts first, and then it shapes what you perceive to match that prediction. That's why misunderstandings escalate. Same room, different edits. Think of a memory from 5 years ago, something emotional. Now here is the truth. Every time you remember that moment, you change it. Memory is not playback, it is reconstruction. Your brain rebuilds the scene from fragments, and emotion fills the gaps. The more often you tell a story, the more permanent the edit becomes. Belief sharpens certain details while others disappear. Two people remember the same event differently not because they are lying, but because they are living in different edits of the same life. Your beliefs filter reality before you even notice. If you believe people don't respect you, your brain scans for evidence. If you believe you are unlucky, your brain highlights every mistake. This is confirmation bias. It feels like truth because your brain hides the evidence that contradicts it. Imagine wearing glasses that tint everything slightly blue. After a while, you forget they are there. The world simply looks blue. Beliefs work the same way, and most of them were formed before you were old enough to question them. Are you describing reality or just an old edit? Now we reach the deepest layer, your sense of self. You think you know who you are, but your identity is a collection of selective highlights and repeated stories. The mind doesn't present the full footage, it presents the narrative, and the narrative becomes you. If you believe you are insecure, your brain stores awkward moments vividly. If you believe you are confident, it stores success vividly. Same life, different archive. What if you are not the full story? What if you are a chapter that has been reread so many times it feels permanent? Here is where this changes from unsettling to empowering. If your mind edits reality, that means the edit is not absolute. You cannot control every thought, but you can question it. Awareness is interruption, and interruption creates choice. The next time you assume someone ignored you, pause. Ask, what else could this mean? The next time you replay an old mistake, ask, what detail am I amplifying? When you say this is just who I am, ask, is that fact or familiarity? Choice changes trajectory. Right now, your brain is forming a memory of this moment. It will store the feeling, the tone, the story you attach to it. One day, you might remember watching something that made you pause, something that made you question the filter. The greatest mystery isn't in the stars. It's in the stories you keep telling yourself. If this made you see something differently, stay with us. Follow and subscribe because the next idea might change more than you expect. The unknown facts, where curiosity meets the unknown.